Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 2 of the All the Little Things Paper Pumpkin Kit for April 2023. So I have my pieces out. First thing we're going to do is do our stamping. So I need to stamp my greeting on the little circle. So let's just ink this up. Once again, I'm going to stamp away just to make sure that I've got good coverage, and I do. These stamps are really, really good. All right, so the enjoy your day goes right in the middle. Okay, there we go. And now we're going to use these are the dots, and we're going to ink them up, and we're going to stamp all over this piece. Well, it looks like I'm missing a couple of spots. There we go. So we're going to come in and we're going to stamp this down. And we're going to continue to stamp this down. And I'm turning this around, it looks like. And then just keep stamping that into the ink. And then adding more. Okay, and some more here, and then, oops, some more at the bottom. Okay, so we've got lots of stamping done there. So we will move that out of the way now. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to take our piece of black linen thread that I've now just tied into a knot. See, I can't tie a bow when I want to, but I tell you what, just run it through your fingers and tie a knot. So let's just get this knot untied here. Okay, come on. The other option is just to cut another piece, but let's just get that done there. There we go. Okay, so we need to put 3 of our adhesive dots on the back, and we're going to put one here, and oh, see, these are the backs are peeling off. That's why I'm turning it over to add the dot. It's just some of the dots are just peeling off all by themselves, so I'm just going with it. Okay, and we need to take this and we need to wrap this around. So let's just start at the bottom here. Okay, and we're going to wrap this like this. It's going to run me into another sticky dot right there. That's perfect. Come back around like this. And where's my middle dot? I'll just use that dot there. No, I tied that just a little tight. Okay, so let's just let that go. And then we're going to come back and come back to the middle. There we go. I'm just going to trim that extra little piece off. Okay. And then this needs to stick down right here. And I thought this was a card front. It's actually a card. So this is going to come in here like this and stick down. So I'm kind of, nope. It didn't stick. So I'm just going to take a few more of the adhesive dots because I used the adhesive dots to put the linen thread on with. So I'm just going to add a couple more adhesive dots just to hold that down. Okay, so we come up about, excuse me, ½ inch from the bottom. There we go. Give that a good push and we're stuck down now. Now we take our flowers and we're going to take this piece, and then we've got 3 little flowers like that. And we've got our greeting, and we've got this piece. Now this piece needs a dot, an adhesive dot right in the middle. So we're just going to pop that down like that and peel that backing off. So we've got our adhesive dot right in the middle. Then we need our dimensionals. And we're going to put 1 dimensional here, 1 here, 1 here. Now there's usually a reason for the placement of the dimensionals, usually because we need to add something underneath it or layer it up. So when you're looking at the instructions, pay attention to where the dimensionals and the glue dots are. So this one, we need to put a dimensional towards the top of it. Okay, so then we need to put this together, and it looks like we put this down first. So let's just peel the backing off these. Okay, and this goes down so it sweeps across the card. So there we go. And then we put these little flowers on over top. So these are dimensionalized as well. And it looks like we're putting them, let me just pick this up a little bit closer. We've got one that goes right here. And then we are going, I'm just going to put this one down. This goes, I'll put this down first. This goes here. Maybe a little bit in from the edge. So we'll put that like that. Okay, and then this goes over top of it like this, with the flower coming round, and then this little flower sits on top right here like that. Then we're going to take some bling, and the large one, we've got, whoops, we need 2 large ones. So we're going to just pick this one up off my finger, and it is going to go right here like that. And we're going to pull up another one. We need 2 large ones, and I'm just trying to think see where the other large one goes. Oh, it's over here like this. So I'm just going to pick this up off my finger. There we go. It goes in here like this. And then we've got 3 little ones. One goes up here like this. One goes up here like this. And the third one goes down at the bottom. And I just shot that across the room. That's okay. This one goes down at the bottom. So let's just pop that down. And that is project number 2 in the April 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for project number 3.